Hey there, this is Lee from Dent Ding King in Sherman Oaks, California. Today, I'm here in the city of Van Nuys to repair some dents on this abused Mini Cooper. You saw the roof dent there. There's a nasty dent here on the left quarter panel, and it's got some paint missing, so that isn't going to come out perfect, but the customer just wants it not to look like such a nasty dent. And then there's another one over here, and a sharp crease there on the right quarter panel. So let's see what we can do with this car. Okay, we're going to take the taillights out. Okay, well, the taillights are out now, which should give us access to those panels to fix these dents. Okay, hopefully you can see this. This is the tool I'm going to use. I'm starting out with a very blunt, kind of rubberish tip, but that will get sharper as the repair proceeds. This tool has a rubber buffer on the back of it, which is going to go right up against the inner frame here. Rather than leveraging off this corner, which would not be good, I'm going to put the tool in so that we can leverage off of that and push on the dent from the inside. Okay, as you can see, I've got a special light set up. This light helps the PDR technician to see exactly where the dent is and exactly what needs to be done to fix it. Okay, I'm applying some heat to this panel, and that's about where we want it, about 140, 150 degrees. That will help the metal move easier. Okay, getting pretty close to finished on this left quarter panel here. Still have a little bit of work to do, but as hopefully you can see, it's sure looking a lot better. Okay, so I'm about ready to button up this job. This customer didn't want perfect, just a heck of a lot better, and as you can see, it's a heck of a lot better. There's still some paint damage, and I don't paint, so the customer's going to have that paint damage touched up. I still have to put the taillights in, but it's getting dark, so I wanted to film this before it got too dark to film.